Guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have Redmagic 9S and I want to show you how add remove magnification to this device. To do it, open Settings application, scroll down and look for our features selection and their accessibility. Now we have magnification which is off. To turn on it, press on it, and there we must turn on it by switch on, config by got it, and we have shortcut of our magnification. To zoom our screen, we tap on our shortcut and tap on screen. Now you can change position of your zoom using 2 fingers and swiping on the screen. You can also zoom on or zoom out, or you can turn off your magnification, press again on your shortcut. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.